Good morning, afternoon or evening folks. Now, this is the first of two unboxing and initial impression videos of gear that I hope is going to move my content production forward. In this video I will start with the new Zoom H4 Essential Portable Recorder. This is a continuation of the H4 series, starting with the original in 2006, and as the name suggests, it only contains all that is essential in capturing audio on a unit of this size and price. There are no internal effects other than EQ cutoff, which is fine, as all can be added in post-production. But with a menu system that I think is far easier to operate than that of the original H4, and at this price point, for me this unit was a steal. Now of course I needed to have a windshield for the two inbuilt overhead mics, so for an extra £40 I was silly enough to buy an accessory pack for the previous H4n. But turns out the only thing I can't use in that was the mini USB cable. Now, soon after this admittedly impulse buy, I saw and read mixed reviews on the H4e, which is still an upgrade from the original. And since I had planned on getting another portable device and using them simultaneously for podcasts, vlogs and piano tutorials, I supplemented the unit with this Tascam Portacapture X6 at £100 more than the H4e. And unlike the Zoom, this has the ability to change the position of the overhead mics, as well as a touchscreen and onboard effects. It only has XLR inputs, but again, that's not an issue as I already have the combos on the H4e as well as other devices that I'll be getting. I will leave links in the video description and will follow up with reviewing and testing these units after spending some time with them. That's it until the next one folks, have a good evening.